Total points race here, third round for them. It's a 17-18 novice. Lyle Lanier from Seattle, Washington, from Vortex Racing, from Snohomish, Washington, doing it for Bakerview Racing, Trevor Cripp, and from Port Angeles, Washington, Danny Gustafson.
Everything's all mixed up. I see Lyle Lanier. Lyle Lanier in the 1 spot, Gustafson in the 2 spot. Price in the 3 spot. Here goes Lanier, hometown boy, doing out of SeaTac, Washington. Lyle style Lanier, doing it for Vortex. And Cripe.
Okay, drop 17, Eastern main event, Billy Lemon, Joshua Glass, Jordan Wilson, Anton Spur, Cameron Land, Travis Peter, Michael Stewart, and Lyle Smith. Coming out of the corner, it's Lemon. In Hamasuba, looks like third, followed by Wilson, and then a landing.
Hot Rocks Lemon in the front. Anthony first. Wilson deep for the jump. Here comes Lemon. Here comes Wilson in first. It's going to be John Wilson and Cameron. Give my hand. That's huge.
Okay, drop down 19-27-year-old intermediate main event judge here. Constable Baker, David McCants, Rod Weinberger, Eric Elton, Joshua Cook, and Jason Cook.
Eric Alden gets out of an 840 bike. McCants gets out of a 103 bike. Jason Cook. Oh, we're slowing this action down in rhythm section. Here they go. The 208 bike's going to get your win, Austin. 840 bike. McCants going to get your 2.
Okay, drop down 19-27-year-old expert Andy Nissan Bar from Seattle, Washington. Eric Meyer from Bonnie Lake. Johnny Rasmussen, the Rocket from Everett, Washington. This is your 19-27 expert main event. Meyer's got the lead.
Come on, Andy! You got Pro in the house. You got Eric Meyer getting it done on a 267. We got Rasmussen and Andy Nissenbarger right now. It's all about Meyer getting a win today.
Ready? Watch your left.
36-40 intermediate on the track now, main event time. Rick Sands, Jim Bridges, Carlos Hunt, Chris Austin, Joseph Peretti, and Ron Funston. This is your...
Oh, here comes Sands, gets over that.
Let's go,
Gets
Joe.
over that jump, here it comes.
Come on, move up, Joe.
You got Rick Sands right now, you got the 887
Get up,
like a
Joe.
Bridges. Trying to get it done, Sands. Started racing again, here he comes. Oscar Joe, high stop. It's done, Tyler. Trying to make a stick, here he comes. It's a race to the finish line.
Ready? Watch your left.
Kate drops down here, and 36-40 intermediate, no, excuse me, 36-40 experts. Andy Hubbard, Justin Meyer, and Mark Russell doing battle out there. Hubbard all the way from Buffalo, Washington. From Enumclaw, Justin Meyer, and Russell from Edmonds, Washington.
Here we go on hot lap right now. It looks like that has got to be Meyer in a 1 spot. Rutsman in the 2 and Hubbard in your 3. Come around from Enumclaw, Washington 30X. It's going to go Russell and Hubbard.
All right, final moto of the day here, folks.
Okay, riders, set him up. On the gate. Riders ready. Watch your left.
41 and over intermediate main event here. James Lowry all the way from Everett, Washington. From Bonnie Lake, Washington, it's Todd Bean. From Arlington, Washington, it's David Wald. And from Squim, Washington, it's Lawrence Morales.
Here we got Todd Bean from Buffalo, Washington. He's nailing down a 1 spot. Bean's in your 1 spot, moving up to 151 bike. Lawrence Morales is in your 2 spot. Battle and Larry for the 3 and 4. Right now, it's the last race of the day. Who's going to be? Who's going to get the point? Bean's going to work. He's getting work here. Morales is coming up. Bean's going to knock it down, though. Hey, thanks everyone so much for coming out today.